Last tutorial natin is pwede na tayo mag-chat tulad nito. Ayan. So, nagre-reflect din dito. Sample lang. And then, ayan. So, ngayon, gawa tayo ng bubble chat. Okay. Gawa ka ng script, mono behavior script. Tawagin natin player chat bubble. Open. And then, ito yung kailangan na code. Gawa tayo ng header. Chat. My God. Chat. Bubble UI. Serializable field na private TMP na text, and then text. Serializable field para sa duration, and then last is yung offset. Vector 3. Vector 3 0, and then private coroutine na hide. Yeah, ayan pala. And then private late update para hindi mag-ikot yung chat natin. So camera.main not equals to null, and the chat text must not equal to null also. And then the chat text, the transform that rotation is equals to camera that main that transform that rotation. And then the chat text that transform that position is equals to transform that position plus the offset. And then client RPC public void show chat message client RPC. So ito yung tatawagin sa ating chat manager. So lagyan natin ng string na parameters and client RPC params, and then RPC params equals default, tapos display the message. So private void display message string na message, and then if hide routine is not equals to null, then our chat text that text is equals to message, tapos chat text that game object set active to true. Okay, and then the hide routine is equals to start coroutine, the hide after seconds. Gawa natin ng function private enumerator, then yield, return new, wait 4 seconds, the display duration, and then our chat text that game object set active to false. Okay, punta kay chat manager. Ito yung gagawin natin kay chat manager. Gawa tayo ng function. So for chat manager, medyo mataas-taas. So server RPC required, the ownership is equals to false. Tapos the private void show chat bubble server RPC with parameters of ulong, sender client ID with string message. Okay, and then let's look for the network. So if network manager dot singleton dot the connected clients, then try to get the value of the sender client ID out var as client, and then return. Next is to create a var na data type, then the player object is equals to client dot the player object, and then if the player is not null, or if the player is null, then we should return. Then var bubble is equals to player object that get the component the player chat bubble, and then if the bubble is null, then return. Oops. Then if it's not null, then let's broadcast to all clients, including the sender. So RPC params is equals to new client RPC params, and then send is equals to new client RPC send params. Ayan. And then another curly brace, target client's ID is equals to network manager that singleton that the connected client's ID, and then ito. Tapos bubble that show, ayan, RPC, and then the message RPC params. Tapos tawagin natin ito dito. So oops. Yeah. And then the network manager that singleton that local client ID, and then the message. Okay, save, test natin. So, gawa tayo ng bubble chat. So, duplicate ko na lang yung name. Tawagin ko itong bubble chat. And then, drag ko siya dito. Tapos, minimum of 5, 10. Drag ko pa. Taas. Tapos, sa player, add natin yung player chat bubble. Drag the bubble chat dito. And then, remove the text here. And then, save. Then, test natin if gagana ba. And then TPKKF. Ayaw ata gagana. Hindi nga. So fix natin. So to fix it, kailangan lang natin gawing network behavior yung player chat bubble. Then the rest is okay na. So test natin. So ito, fix natin later yung multiplayer manager kasi minsan hindi gumagana yung start client or yung join client natin. So as you can see, so gawa tayo bago ng lobby. Nga pala, aside sa network behavior sa player chat bubble, may nakalimutan ako or namali akong ilagay na dapat ito is nasa labas pala. Oops. Nasa labas pala dapat ito. So ayan, and then dito dapat is stop the coroutine, which is si hide routine. Ayan. Then save natin. Again, I am 100% sure na gagana na talaga to. So punta na tayo kay Unity. Then test natin. Tapos mpgh6q start client. Ayun, so gumana na nga. Ayan, okay. Sige, next is fix natin yung multiplayer manager.